Welcome back to Maggi Minutes by eKuhipath. Aji lo hisu PM PRANAM scheme. So PRANAM stands for Program for Restoration, Awareness Generation, Nourishment and Amelioration of Mother Earth. It was announced in the 2023-24 budget by the Union Government. 2023 28 July দিনাখন approve কৰিছিলে Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. A scheme to run kore under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Chemicals and Fertilizer Ministry বিশেষ যোনটো ডিপার্টমেন্ট আছে ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ ফার্টিলাইজার এই স্কিম to manage কৰি চলাই নিয়ে এই তিনটা এম আছে তিনটা মেইন এম আছে sustainable and balanced use of fertilizers, encourage the adoption of alternative fertilizers আৰু তিন নম্বৰটো হৈছে promote organic and natural farming. A scheme through the center state of incentives there. It incentivizes states to reduce chemical fertilizers consumption. Jeneke tuma urea, DAP, NPK, MOP. So eita example hoy eneka dhonor chemical fertilizer bilakor consumption to reduce kobo lage state. The integrated fertilizers management system is the platform envisages to track the use of fertilizers. So fertilizer kiman use hoise kiman kom use hoise hekhini track koribo in the IFMS Integrated Fertilizers Management System. So আজি class 2 PDF তোমালোকে particular channel টোত পাই যাবা আজি ৰাহিছো এখন আকৌ লগ পাম ধন্যবাদ